fellow subscribers, welcome back to my channel. It's nice having you back. Today I'll be sharing with you on the use of lidar when you have an iPhone that has lidar, from iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 14 Pro Max. This is lidar here. So you can definitely use this to take measurements. You can use it to take 3D views of a place. You can use it to carry out topographical survey. Firstly, I'll be sharing with you on how to carry out lidar using iPhone 12 Pro Max. Watch me while I put you through on how to do that. Now I'll be showing you on how to use the 3D scanner app. So the first thing you have to do is to launch the app. You open the app. Then after you open the app, this is the default of what you have on the screen. So the first thing is you come to this normal icon, you click on it. So you change this to lidar advanced. Now after changing to lidar advanced, we have some features like confidence, we have range, we have masking, and then we have resolution. So for the confidence, we have low, high, and low. We have low, medium, and high. The lower the confidence, the more the values you have and accurate. While the higher the confidence, the lower the values you have, but much more accurate, and it's going to choose the best point for you. Range. If you want it to, depending on the area of your interest, when you have a large range where you want it to cover, you can increase the range. You can see it on the screen there. But if you want it to be on the lower range, then you click on 0.3. You reduce the range. The next thing we have is masking. This simply deals with an object. Maybe you have a particular area of interest, you have a focus on an object, so you can just use a masking. And the last one is resolution. Now, if you want a very good high quality resolution, where you want it to show a point on the ground, like a tiny point, when you have a reference point, and your reference point where you have on the ground is very tiny. When you use a lower resolution, it's going to pick it for you, and it's going to give you an higher value of that. But if you are not interested in a lower value, if you are not interested in the area just of the lower area, whereby you are interested in a large area, then you can simply increase the resolution. So we want to start so when you are done with this settings, you click on these icons on red. So now you can see the way I'm moving now is showing the step. You can see it on the screen. Immediately I click, I tap the red icons, so it's going to take with the help of the lidar on the phone camera, it's going to give you the views of, it's going to give you the views of wherever you are obtaining in 3D. So when you are done, what you simply do is to click on it. Then it's going to bring out this page for you. It's going to bring out this page. It's going to load. Then after it's load, it's going to show you the display on the screen that the process can we have HD. On the HD, it's going to be very high quality image. And then we have medium and fast. We have fast and custom. Okay, we have HD, we have medium, we have fast and custom. Now you just click on start to process it. Then after you are done processing it, Now it has processed finish. So this is it on the screen again. When you click on this AR, this is the 3D view of the step that we took. Now you can also do well to do what? You can also measure what you have. When you click on measure, it can actually determine the distance of the 3D view. The same value of what you have is also the same thing with the LiDAR. You click on what? You click on share. Then after you click on share, it's going to display this. You have different formats of sharing. You have point cloud, you have STL, you have OBJ. If you want it to be on 3D printing, you send it using STL. We also have a software for point cloud. You can send using point cloud, and then you can also send using OBJ. So when I click on OBJ, share as OBJ, then you can do what? You can share using your mail. You can send to your mail. Then from your mail, you will be able to launch it on your system. Then after you launch it, there is an app that is called Autodesk Mesh Mixer. In that app, you can do it to view the image. So that is how to use iPhone 12 Pro Max Lidar. Also same thing with iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 Pro Max Lidar. Thank you.